What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new guys, special welcome to all of you new guys. Now in this video I want to share with you how to add languages to your Shopify store. So if you have your Shopify store and by default it is in English or whatever language you choose, you can add additional language to your store for your customers. And especially if you plan to offer products or sell worldwide, then you have to think about the customers from other locations as well. So how do you do that? Once you're inside Shopify, click the settings on the lower left hand side, and from here you want to look for languages and click on that. Now under this section you will see the current published language. In my case it is shown as the default for English, but here you have the option to add a language. So if you click on that, you can choose another language. So let's see if I can type Spanish here, and let's say I want to sell to Spain. I can click on that and I can just simply click on next. And from here, you will see it's going to ask you which domain or shop or store, whatever you want to add it to. I'm going to simply choose one or both and then simply click and done. Now that's going to currently add that new language there. And as you can see, the language is there, right? So this is how you can easily go ahead and add new languages to your Shopify store. Now, this is very easy, guys. You can also import languages as well. And this is really up to you that you can import, export languages as well. Now, you may be wondering why the language is shown as not published. What do you need to do after you add the language? This is super easy. All you have to do is click the three dots towards the right hand side of that language that is not published, and you can view it. And once you're ready, just simply click on publish. Now, click on publish again, and that's going to publish the language to your store. And that's all there is to it. Guys, if you found value here within this video, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, I really appreciate the gesture. Hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.